Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Bala AI. So if you don't know what Bala AI is, it's basically an AI chatbot that allows you to chat with other people, but they're all AI and act like real people. So as you can see here, you can chat with characters and any character that you want. You can just create them. For example, anime or games or the popular ones. So I found this post on Reddit. Is Bala AI the best AI app out there? And some people agree. I think so too. In my opinion, I've downloaded several, and Bala is the only one I have left. And some people also say that this is one of the best they've tried so far. And yeah, based from my experience, also Bala AI is also a very good AI app. However, the one con that I have to say is that Bala AI is has a lot of ads, and you do also need to pay $30 for a premium version of this app. So if you don't mind paying, it is one of the best AI apps out there. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.